Hello guys, welcome to another episode on Nazarettos channel. I want to show you this aftermarket, this universal garage door opener. I'll be replacing this old one. It's just not working sometimes. So I'm going to replace it with a new one, and it comes with two keychain remotes as well. This brand is DDCAFOR. Got it on Amazon. So it says even 1 year warranty, manufacturer warranty. There's email. You can email them if you have any questions or concerns. So let's open it up, this DDCAFOR, and see what's inside. These are little remotes. This is the opener itself. There's some hardware. A little manual. It explains to you how to program it. And another little printout to tell you how to replace the battery. Let's get this thing out of here. And this is our garage door opener. The buttons feels very nice and strong, very solid, good feel to it. This is the one I had originally installed from Craftsman. It says clicker. Feels identical. These buttons feel exactly identical. And we have here programming instructions. And this is our battery compartment. It comes with a new battery. That's cool. 9 volts. I'm just gonna plug it in. And it makes this nice little sound. Also, this keypad lights up red. It's just like the original, exactly the same feel to it. Let's fit this battery inside. So the programming should be very straightforward, very easy. You have to, let's see. It tells you where the learn button is located on the back or right side of the garage door opener. Program initial pin, press and hold these two buttons, the star and the pound, and after that until the light on the keypad stops blinking, and then you enter 4-digit code of your choice, and then press this button. So we're going to program it, and then press or release enter button on the number of times that corresponds with the garage door opener type. Also, in this printed version of the manual, we have very simple instructions. This is your motor unit. There's a button. It tells you locate the button on the garage door opener. Note that your garage door opener may look different, but you have a different color learn buttons. So this learn button is like green or red or orange or purple or yellow. So in my case I have yellow, the purple one. This is the one we have, and I'll show you where it's located. And it tells you very easy instructions, straightforward. Program initial pin. It says we have to hold these two buttons, the star and the pound. After we hold these two buttons, then we enter the code, 4-digit code. You enter the code. After you're done, you press this button right here, and in the next step, press enter button corresponding the code. So we have to press the button enter a few times until the light flashes on the motor. It even says press and release the learn button on the garage door opener. Enter the 4-digit pin from the step 2, then press the hold enter button until the garage door opener indicator lights flashes, and that's it. Also, before we do any programming, I want to show you this unit came with these two nice little keychains, garage door openers. So it's good to have. Nice little clicker. It says DDCAFOR. Nice, cute. Has a nice little strap, leather strap. Okay guys, let's go program this thing right here. So this is your motor. This one is Craftsman, half a horsepower motor. I want to show you where the button is, the learn button. This one right here. And I have this purple color, just so you know that's where it's located. Our programming learn button. So we're gonna press these two buttons, star and the pound. And then let's enter 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we press the pound. Press and release the enter button the number of times that correspond to your color. So we have purple. We need to press 2 times. 1, 2. And now what they want to do, to press the learn button on the garage motor. Press the program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we enter the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. And press enter. This light turned on. It blinked. And let's hit enter. And you see the garage door is opening. Now let's press enter and it's closing. Very easy, super easy. So make sure you know what color is your button. You see this one is purple. And the reason why I need to know what color, because here in step number 3, it will tell you how many times you have to press enter for this programming. See, purple learn button twice. So very easy programming, very straightforward, very nice detailed instruction. First we do press these 2 buttons. You hold them until it beeps. Make sure it beeps. Then you press the code, 4-digit code, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you press this pound button. After you're done with that, you have to press enter corresponding what color is your button, learn button. So we needed to press it twice. So press this twice and then we press 0. So we press 0. Then what we do, we go back to the motor. You go back to your motor, you push that purple button for like a few seconds. You enter your code, 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter, and voila, the garage door is programmed. So now this remote is programmed, this keypad is programmed, and I really like the way it's built. I like that this part doesn't just slide, it's just, you know, you can just close it like this. I would always lose this cap. It would fly out and it get damaged, and I like this hinge design better. So this is programmed. I'm gonna put it on the side. Now we have to program these little key fobs. We also have a nice little user manual. It's colorful, very nice. And it shows you we have a purple learn button here. It says prepare and check the remote controls working mode. So what they mean is just push this button. See, it's green on this remote and green on this. So LED status green. So this remote and this remote, when we have this green little light, it works for this purple learn button, red, orange learn button. Now if we had the red one, it would work with the yellow learn buttons, green learn buttons. But in this case, we have this one. In the manual, it states the shape of the learn button that we press on the motor, it does not matter. It does not affect compatibility. If the LED color is not compatible with your garage door opener, switch the remotes to another working mode and programming it. Well, we received this one. So this is a green one, and it will work with our garage door opener with a purple learn button. We have a Craftsman, half a horsepower motor, and this should work. Now to program this is super easy. It takes like less than 10 seconds. We have to go back to our learn button, the purple one, press it for a few seconds, release it, and then hold this one. We only push this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push this 1, 2, 3. The light flashed, and that's it. Now look. There you go. Very easy. Let's push this button and the garage door closes. And that's how easy it is to program that. So that's how easy it is to program these universal garage door openers. And you can program both of these buttons or just this top one. It's up to you. But these remotes are programmed very easy. You hit the purple button. If you have a purple button, you just press it for like a few seconds, and then you hold the button that you want to program. Very easy. So same thing with this one. It was straightforward. I already programmed everything nice. So let's install it now. So I already had this hole pre-drilled. I'm just gonna put the screw in here. Just gonna align this. Let's see. Push it down. First screw here. Don't forget this cover, and we're done. Looks pretty nice, just like the original one from Craftsman, except this is the universal one. And I like there's this beeping noise, and that's how you install it. I'm also gonna keep this on the keychain. Nice little remote. There you go, garage is closing. Also, you can program temporary pin and it will work up to 255 times. It cannot be the same pin that you have as a primary pin, but like temporary, and 255 times, and then it gets deleted. Tells you how to do that. This universal garage opener works with 315 megahertz or 390 megahertz garage door openers. Anything installed after January 1, manufactured after January 1, 1993. Make sure you have that bulb installed, because this bulb is an indicator for your programming. One important thing to note was this universal garage door opener. It's only compatible with LiftMaster, Chamberlain, and Craftsman. Supports Security 2.0 and billing code. Batteries installed already. Also not compatible with Genie, overhead door, linear, Wayne Delton, Marantec openers. So only these.